Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Adobe Acrobat feels cluttered with too many buttons, panels, toolbars, and shortcuts, you are not alone. Recent versions of Adobe Acrobat includes numerous tools, AI features, Adobe Express integrations, suggested tools panels, and sidebars that can make the workspace feel crowded. The good news, you can simplify Acrobat and create a much cleaner toolbar layout in just a few minutes. So first thing you can do is collapse the All Tools panel. Okay, so the All Tools panel is often the biggest source of clutter. So open a PDF, click the tool or click the All Tools panel. Okay, collapse or hide it. It creates significantly more document space, simplifies the workspace. Most users don't need this panel open all the time. So hide the right side toolbar, like if a tool pan appears on the right, click the collapse arrow or click view and then show or hide and then hide right pane. So it removes dozens of tool shortcuts and it gives PDFs more room. Okay, so one of the quickest cleanup steps is this. Okay, so removed unused toolbar buttons, like customize the quick action toolbar, open the toolbar customization, remove tools you rarely use, and keep only essentials such as search, print, comments, fill and sign, organize pages. So fewer buttons make Acrobat easier to navigate. Okay, so hide navigation panels too, like the left side panel may contain bookmarks, page thumbnails, attachments, layers. So hide by like clicking the navigation pane button or view and show and hide and then navigation panes. Okay, so it creates a cleaner area or cleaner reading area and reduces distractions. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.